Hello, good morning and welcome. It's the 6th of September and it's just after 8 o'clock, so you've got the UK Open. And we'll start as ever, the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Uh, we had a rise in the price of milk yesterday, which gave us a bit of strength to the New Zealand dollar, which was a good selling opportunity. And we have just slightly come down a little bit this morning. We're still below the 50 on the RSI, and the commercials have a short ratio of 3.5 to 1. Expecting that just to follow through, but we'll see how it goes. We've got the big news this week, of course, is the ECB tomorrow. So there you go. USD CAD. Still bouncing on the bottom. We've made fresh lows. No, we haven't made fresh lows. We've come down. We're below the support, which obviously makes it resistance. Very disappointing. Could do with a bit more strength in the dollar. The oil price has gone up, which has given us a bit of strength in the Canadian dollar, but this is a good buy as far as I'm concerned at this level. We'll watch that. USD, Japanese yen, comes down again onto support, just breaks slightly through it. Don't know if this is just going to bounce back up, but we're well below the 50 on the RSI, and the commercials have got a short ratio of 2.18 to 1. I would have expected the commercials to have increased their rate come Friday. So we'll see how this goes, but at the moment, unsure whether this is going to break through the support or not. So basically, I'm out. USD Mexican peso. Surprisingly, we are just below resistance still. So we are sort of, there's quite a bit of strength in this pair now. Even with the short that we had yesterday in the dollar, we've probably had weakness compensating in the Mexican peso. And I think as the dollar gains strength, we're going to see this move back through. We're above the 50 on the RSI, which is really nice. So as far as I'm concerned now, this move upwards should continue, and be keeping an eye on that. Okay, Euro GBP, British pound euro. I did have two trades in this. I've got knocked out the one. So I am short. Would love to break this trend line, and I would love even more to go below the 50 on the RSI. We've got a divergence of 3.37 to 1 short. The volume and open interest for the euro is giving a slightly short signal. So that's the first time for a long time that's happened. So, and we have got this quite heavy resistance at 92,664 on the Euro GBP. So this is monthly turning point back here. Right, okay. Pound New Zealand dollar. We're long this. I've got two trades now in profit. We've got resistance just north here. Up to recent highs, this is 800 pips. And the next resistance that we've got is at 1.826. So hopefully, after the little foray with the milk yesterday, we might see this go up through resistance. So keep an eye on it, but I am ever hopeful. AUD Japanese yen. This has done wondrously well for me. I've got another trade in just here, and we have come back down. Let's just put it on an hourly chart. yeah, in the last couple of hours we've come back down, so that has now gone into profits, and I can stick another trade in a minute. Right, I am quite, we've got a short ratio of 7.25 to 1 on this. I am quite happy with this trade. So, and we have come down below the monthly turning point. So that is resistance above. Um, yeah, this is quite a nice trade, and we're below the 50 on the RSI. So hopefully that will just continue down for us, and we can keep adding trades as it goes down. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully, I'll have a little bit more on the members center for people to look at, and you know, do that during September. Okay, cheers. Bye now.